Have you ever been confused by a word that means something totally different depending on where you are? And you know what? It happens to me a lot, even as a native speaker. So today, I'm going to tell you how Spain, Mexico use the same word in completely different ways. Hola amigos, it's Tania here. Welcome back to Spanish 55. ¿Están listos? Empezamos con la primera palabra, bleach. En España, lejía. En México, cloro. Voy a limpiar el baño con lejía. Usé cloro para desinfectar. Same thing, just different names. Palabra número 2, juice. En España, zumo. En México, jugo. Me gusta el zumo de naranja. Quiero jugo de manzana. Palabra número 3, cake. In Spain, torta. In Mexico, pastel. Matías trajo la torta para el cumpleaños. En México, me comí una rebanada de pastel. And guys, speaking of food, if you are in Spain and you want a tortilla, you're talking about a thick potato omelette. So it's like this thick, and it's like potato and eggs and something very different. Tortilla española. But in Mexico, tortilla means those soft corn tortillas for your tacos, like the normally tortillas. And as a fun fact, this happened because in the early centuries, the Spaniards in Mexico thought that tortillas here looked like the tortillas they cooked back at home. But in fact, the original name for tortilla in Mexico was tlaxcali. You didn't know that, right? I just learned that. And guys, if you would like more about the Spanish Mexican words that have a strange origin, my friend Katy did a video on that, and you can find it in the link in the description below. Palabra número 5, living room. En España, salón. En México, sala. Vamos al salón. La sala está ordenada. La siguiente palabra y una de mis favoritas, cute. En España, mono. En México, bonito. Por ejemplo, qué mono está ese perro. Qué bonito está el parque. And guys, as a fun fact, mono means monkey in Mexico. So, yes, we don't use it in that way. For example, we might say, vi al mono en el zoológico. Y chicos, nuestra última palabra, la palabra número 7. If you like beer, this might interest you. In Spain, birra. En México, cerveza. ¿Quieres una birra? Me tomé 3 cervezas. Birra o cerveza. Y una en el mismo contexto, in the same context. When it comes to cigarettes, in Spain, people call it piti, while in Mexico, it's cigarro. So don't be surprised if you ask for a piti in Mexico and you get some strange looks like, what's that? So guys, these are just some of many, many, many words that change according to the country. So what if we help you and we give you a first free lesson with a certified tutor on Spanish55.com? So I am going to give you the link in the description. So you go there, check it out for a free consultation. So guys, thank you so much for being here today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I will see you in the next video. And guys, don't forget to check out the Conquering Spanish podcast for inspiring interviews with learners who have conquered Spanish. They are fluent in Spanish. If you want to know how they got there, go there and check it out. Get motivated, get learning. See you there. Nos vemos.